Woo! Turn him down a little bit, Chris. All right. That should. Uh-oh. Hello, people. All right. I think they should hear me now. All right, let's do this. Put this news out for these Steam Deck fans. Hello, people. Hello, viewers. Hello, people. Hello, viewers. Sitting here messing around here. Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good. Or excellent. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? You know, the tribe, nation, universe, world, legion. What's good? Mom, what's happening? Squad, what's up? Nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators. What's happening? All right. I got news for you. You best believe it. All right, what do we got? It says Steam breaks records again, hitting over 36 million players online. You all sure love gaming, huh? Valve has the Steam repeatedly break records recently yet again. Another weekend saw another surge of players. In early March, Steam first crossed 34 million online. Less than a week later, 35 million. And now here we are, another week later, seeing a peak of 36,354,393 people online from SteamDB. At the time, 11,557,186 players were actually in game too. Over the last 24 hours, the top games for peak players were Counter-Strike 2, Dota 2, PUBG, Apex Legend, Helldiver 2, and Naraka Blade Point. And it says here, one surprising game I saw rise up recently is the Supermarket Simulator, which hit a peak of 51,363 players on Steam. You just never know what's going to be suddenly popular anymore. That is true. That is true. That is true. That top 20 list is competitive, man. Yeah. Okay. All right. What else we got? So since we talking Steam Deck here, all right. Let's keep the ball moving here. Okay. Supermarket Simulator. Yeah. Anyway, what else I got for you? Okay. Apex Legends. You know, I was trying to get to this. I saw this article on a Game Developer, and I was trying to get to it. It says here, Apex Legend global series postponed due to mid-match hacks, and it says have investigated recent report of postponed RCE issues with Easy Anti-Cheat at this time. We are confident that there is no RCE vulnerabilities with Easy Anti-Cheat being exploited. We will continue to work closely with our partners for any follow-up supported. So likely then that the issue is within Apex Legend directly. We'll update when we have more info. And then it says here, original article below. Okay, all right. Well, 343 is using Easy Anti-Cheat so with Halo Infinite. So yeah. And they're gonna be more enforcing too. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. Original article. Good morning. Some interesting industry news for you here. As it's seen, Apex Legend has something of a hacker problem right now. Has been messed up. The global series esport tournament announced by official Apex Legend esport account on X, they said, due to the competitive integrity of the series being compromised, we have made the decision to postpone finals at the time. We will share more information soon. Yeah, they took care of it already. All right, now let's keep moving here. So what else we got for you Steam Deck nerds and geeks and freaks? Oh, by the way, how's the Steam sale treating you guys? Did you buy any games? And what did you buy? Yeah, you. All right, what else we got? Let's see here. Chimera OS Linux 45-1 has improved support for A and Neo and ROG Ally. Okay. Yeah. Let's see here. Chimera OS Linux 45-1 is out now. Has a minor update to the current release, but it still comes with with a healthy dose of handheld gaming improvements for people who don't want Windows. While Valve still haven't released Steam OS 3 for downloads to other devices, the Linux community continues to show off how great open source it is. Chimera OS is an operating system that provides an out-of-the-box couch gaming experience. Once installed, it still boots right into Steam Big Picture for a good handheld interface, and it comes with many addition for various handhelds. Okay, whoo, nice little list here. What we got? Says here, main changes: add a configuration tweak to improve Steam download speed. Add a BMI260 DKMS driver. Replace AILD with ANDO platform DKMS driver. RGD LED will be off by default at boot. Update any platform driver. RGD LED will be off by default at boot. The mode switch character files as moved up directly into system/class/led/multicolor chassis /dot. Says here, add ACPI call DKMS package. Added ANEO next line, ANEO AR Air 15 Ultra and ANEO Air plus 732U support for handy GCCS. Enable Samba access in the file browser. Add localization support to open gamepad user interface. But currently, French and Spanish translations are available. Bug fixes. Fix a bug when using a Steam Plus session where input device were being duplicated in Steam. Improve performance on lower end devices such as low-key 0 when using the Steam Plus and open gamepad user interface session. Fix an issue with some OXO A1 Pro not fully detecting all input devices in handy GCCS or open gamepad user interface. Fix an error in the Chimera web user interface when editing a game with a non-character in its name. Fix a graphical glitch in Wii games. Fix a bug where some new ROG Ally device were not being detected for device quirks due to a change in DMI strings. Fix an issue with the suspended mods script that prevents MT7921, a Wi-Fi module, from sleeping/waking correctly during suspend. Fix device address for convolver. I said convolver. Convolver script for the Legion Go. Improve audio soundstage should now be working properly. Fix an issue with the handy GCCS on the ROG Ally starting before controller fully initialized in some cases. All right. So you and your Chimera OS ROG Ally fans, trying to be like the Steam Deck. Anyway, what else I got for you? All right. What's we got here? Roblox. Okay, let's see. Mirror aims to be a Roblox and UEFN alternate, and now it's open source. See? Roblox is not the only game that's out there. There's always something better, you know? Anyway, says here, Roblox and the Unreal editor for Fortnite sure are popular, but you know what would be better? An open source project where the creator can actually own what they make rather than being attached to Roblox and Fortnite. The Mirror wants to change that. Then it says here, from the GitHub, akin to Figma for the game development, the Mirror is both tool and editor that lets you edit the game with friends in real time. Its intended use can be extended because you have the source code. It can be used as a complete game base to build what you want on top. You can use this to accelerate your game, get it built, release. This saves you time. Imagine not having to write pesky things like infrastructure, back-end codes, asset management, and various systems from scratch. Says the extra part, it's made with Go.Engine. Then it says here, considering that Roblox recently blocked Wine plus Linux and Fortnite has never worked on Linux, this is interesting. Hopefully people will actually take a look into it and give it a go, as a platform like this is only as good as the people building the experience for it. Then it says, and now the mirror itself has been made open source. You can check it out on GitHub. And it says mint license in parentheses. The app is available to download via Itch.co for Linux and Windows. Yeah, you guys are good. All right, now what else we got? Since we talked, keep the ball moving here and knock this out real quick. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Broken Sword Shadows of Templar remaster hits over 400K on Kickstarter. Woo. Broken Sword Shadow of the Templar is getting a big fancy remaster in Broken Sword Reforged, and it's currently crowdfunding on Kickstarter by Revolution Software. It will have full Linux support too, as confirmed by the developer. Somehow I entirely missed the campaign. It actually launched with only 11 days left to go. Seems plenty of people are excited to replay one of the best point and click adventures around in full 4K with the Kickstarter campaign, noting a 50,000 base goal, and it's currently on 404,303. You can pledge to get a digital code / GOG and Steam, or go to 2 different special collector edition boxes that includes things like a figure, a USB keychain, a USB-C key, a manuscript, a game manual, and so on. And what it says here, interestingly, they are using AI for remaster. Here's what they said about their use of AI for it. What part of your project will use AI generated content? Please be as specific as possible. Then it says, disclaimer, all training data comes from within Revolution Software. We want to use tools that were trained exclusively on our own data, and so we opt to write our own bespoke program in collaboration with University of York. Outputs from this tool have received significant intervention by our art team, ensuring that the final product receives the same level of attention to detail as any other artwork, befitting the polished standard of a Broken Sword game. It says, do you have the consent of owner of the works that were, then it says, or will be used to produce the AI generated portion of your projects? Please explain. Then he said, yes, the training data is compromised of the sprites down by our animator. And it says, check it out on Kickstarter, and you can follow it on Steam. Yeah. All right. Now, any more news for you little Steam Deck nerds here? Yeah, Chris, you ain't got our news. What's going on? Anyway, so what we got here? Uh-oh, another handheld? Oh, man. Now what? See what Valve then started? How did Gaming on Linux found this one out? He said, listen to this. It says, Playtron plans to launch a Playtron OS, a Linux-based system for gaming. Playtron have teased their Playtrons taking aim at the gaming space to compete with Steam OS with a Linux-powered system. Could be exciting times ahead. Well, Valve stole the show. We couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run. Yeah. He says they managed to pull in developers from Chimera OS, Box 64, Heroic Game Launcher, and more, so they have some people involved who certainly know their stuff when it comes to Linux gaming. The CEO is also Kirk McMasters, a name some might recognize from Cyan Ogen. Many others are involved who have developer experience from the likes of George Amazon, Red Hat, Meta, Samsung, Sega, and more. So they've built up quite an experienced team overall. They said, unlike Steam OS, it's not going to be so tied to the Steam store, although you can install pretty much anything in Steam OS desktop mode. The Steam Deck is obviously a Steam first device. Playtron say it's aimed to be compatible with every game store and to expect many third-party integration to come. And then they said here, says there, Playtron OS plan to support both ARMS and x86 based PC architecture, and they say to expect Playtron on laptops and PC, TVs, XR, and in cars in the coming years. So they certainly aim high with it, potentially impossible too high. Their current plan is to launch Playtrons for Steam Deck and other handheld gaming PCs later this year. And that Playtron first handheld PC coming soon, so we can expect to see some future handheld launch with Playtron's OS. Later this year, they've also planned some sort of direct publishing option for gaming developers. Sean Hollister of The Verge got an early look for a bit more info, and Hollister also noted Valve actually told them that they finally working to bring Steam OS to more handheld. While exciting, they have a huge uphill battle here and will no doubt have to do a lot of convincing when it comes to hardware vendors to actually use it. So while exciting right now, it doesn't mean too much, especially until we actually see first initial release. And then it says in parentheses, even better, a hardware vendor actually releasing with it. One to keep a close eye on, because it could be a game changer, but it could just as easily fizzled out. And it says more on the website. They're also at GC Game Developer Conference this year. It's pretty clear that at this point that the Steam Deck with Steam OS has really begun to change the gaming world. Okay, gaming on Linux. The Steam Deck been changed the gaming handheld. When Valve came out and said, we couldn't find a game the Steam Deck couldn't run, game over. Anyway, it says here, while there were no obviously other handheld gaming PC vendors before, Valve really lit a fire. He said Valve really lit a fire, didn't they? They did. Look, when they had that little seminar during the pandemic for the developers, and when Gabe Newell made that statement, it was done. And as soon as Sony showed that God of War on the Steam Deck, game over. Yeah, Steam Deck was a problem to deal with right then and there. So yeah, anyway, any more news I got to report? Well, that's that. Oh, you got the weekend PC deals. You got, let's see, wait a minute. Let me see if I got this here. Let me look this up. Let me look this up here. History. I think you got a weekend PC deal here. Let's see here. We did that. I think I did that. Whoops. I think you got Deus Ex. Matter of fact, I think you got Deus Ex. Let's see. You had Deus Ex as a freebie, and then there's the Steam. You got the Steam sale, Itch.co sale, Humble. Let's see. Humble, Itch.co, GOG, Epic. Who else? I know Steam, of course, but they're all tied to that Steam sale. So the free game from Epic is Deus Ex and I think that's it. So yeah, you guys are good though. I mean, I could read off the list of games that they got for sale, but since we're dealing with the Steam sale, you might as well go to the Steam website and see what they got for sale. But other than that, you guys are good. News, deals, games update, the usual stuff. And another handheld trying to get to the market, along with the orange pie. So yeah, but yeah, you Steam Deck fans, you're good. I got you covered, man. Yeah, I did a video earlier today on Halo Infinite, so I'm gonna drop both these videos after I end this one. So you guys are covered. And I had a video done last night that I was supposed to release, but I'm gonna try to do it today. Add it so a total of should be 3, but if not, 2. But yeah, you guys are good, man. News, deals, games update, man. Steam sale is happening right now. They got some good deals. Get it while it's hot. Yeah. Other than that, man, I'll keep you guys up to date on what's going on in the game industry. The video that I did for Halo, it covers Halo Infinite, but 343 is working on a new Halo game, so the Halo franchise is in good hands. So yeah. Anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed the rest of the day. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek thing. Bored. Dark side. Go. Peace.